Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Champagne. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and become a member of the family. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate you guys. If you're a member of my channel, thank you so very much. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate you guys, and I'm just grateful to have you on this journey with me. And yeah, I'm glad you guys are here. I thank you so much. So today we're going to be doing my cash stuffing for the week. We're going to start off by taking out the leftover money from this last week. So in gas, we have 10, 25, 30. So we put $30 in gas. Food, I did get a coffee. So we have 10, 15, and $16 in food. Beauty rolls over week to week. And then spending, we have 5, 10, 11. I cannot remember what I spent money on here for this week, but obviously I spent it somewhere. So we have 10, 25, 35. No, hold on. I see a 10 hidden there. Okay, let's try that again. So we have 10, 20, 35, 45, 55, 56, and 57. So this money is going to go towards savings challenges that pay for things that I want, things that I need, as well as extra debt. You guys, I'm so sorry for the shadows and the lighting. I did move my office and workspace around, and I'm trying to figure out the lighting, and I don't get that much sun in this room, so I have all kinds of lights, but when I turn them on, no matter which ones I turn on, there's shadows, and so I'm still trying to work. So please bear with me. So we're going to put this aside, like I said, for savings challenges. And then this week we're putting in 50, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 11, and 12. So $212 will be going into our envelopes. And I will also be stuffing my money for my savings challenge that I completed for my vacation. I'll be putting it in my vacation binder. So back to our cash envelope. So gas gets 100 every week. So 50, 100. I'm going to keep it at this. Gas seems to be going up again, so I'm glad I do have it at that. Food gets 25 every week. I do take food with me, food and drinks on the road, but this is if I want to stop and have a bite to eat with a friend or get coffee or anything like that. Beauty gets 25 every week. For this envelope, I do use it for my hair every 3 months and all my personal hygiene products. So that's why beauty will always roll over. So in beauty we have 50, 100, 20, 45, and 50. So 150 saved up in beauty. Spending, I give myself $15 a week. I am on a low spend year, trying to pay off as much debt as possible and save up for my goals. So I give myself $15 a week. That way, if I do want something, I don't swipe my credit card or spend unbudgeted money. So yeah, so I do have that there. This is money that's going to go back to the bank to pay back my credit card for the gas and coffee and stuff that I got this week. So that is it for my cash envelopes. We're going to go into my dated binder. This is for things that I'm saving up that come up every year or every other year. Car registration being one of them. So car registration is actually not getting anything today. My nursing renewal is fully funded. This is due in October, so that will be emptied out next month. Moving is not getting anything. My P.O. box is getting 6. We did just pay this not too long ago, so now we're saving up for it when it comes back up in 7 months. So we have 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You will see in these envelopes, I'm stuffing with real money, but at the end of the month, I do take out the money that's in there for items that I'm not going to be using right now, and I put that in my Ally account just so I can earn interest on it. So at the end of September, I will do the same thing and put whatever cash we put in here, I will transfer it to my Ally account and then replace it with prop money. So Amazon Prime is going to get $6 as well. So we'll put this in here. I hope everybody's having a good weekend, or had a good weekend rather. We're at the end of it, and your weekend treats you well. So we have 50, 70, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and 90 towards Amazon Prime. This is not due until January 1st. All right, so we'll move that binder. Next is my revolving envelopes. These are things that I spend on more frequently, one being family fun. So family fun will get $10, and this goes towards anything that has to do with the family, whether it's a barbecue, if they want to meet up to go to the movies or go out to eat. On the weekends during football season, we do meet up at a local brewery and watch football together. And so if I buy anything there, it comes out of here. And when we go to the parks around here like SeaWorld and things like that, that's where this comes from. So in family fun we have 10, 20, 30, and 40. Okay. Birthdays, I just spent some of this on my niece's birthday, but we will be putting $10 back in here. September is a very high birthday month, so this will be coming and going. So we have 50, 70, 80, 95, right? 50, 70, 80, 95, yeah. So $95 for birthdays. Medical is fully funded at $500. Clothes will be getting nothing today. Car maintenance will be getting $10. So in car maintenance we have 100, 200, 300, 350, 370, 380, 81, 82. So $382 for car maintenance. I do need to get my window fixed as well as some new tires soon, and brakes will be coming up shortly as well. Support small, we'll be getting this last 5, and we do have 5 in here. There are some things that I want to purchase, so this will come out and probably be gone by next week. YouTube, we're not putting anything into this envelope today, but this is money that we've had. It's going to be used for a giveaway. Next is my vacation binder. This was put together by Mel over at Mystic Budgets. And so she made this for me. I love it. I do have the money in here that we're going to be putting into our envelope. So we have 500, 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So $1,600. This is from my Busy Bee challenge. I finally took it out and we'll be putting in here. But just to kind of take you through my envelopes, we have flight. Hopefully you guys can see it. Hotel. We have our food envelope, tickets, shopping, car rental, gas, and miscellaneous. So with the money that's from our Busy Bee challenge, I am going to put $600 into flights so that when I do get ready to go on vacation, I have $600 put away for a flight. We were going to be going to Florida in November, but those plans have since been canceled. So I'm just going to continue to save and put this money aside. Hotel, I'm putting $600 into the hotel, so that way I have this money set aside as well. Since those are 2 of the bigger purchases, I want to make sure I have more money towards those. Food, I do use Randomizer Wednesday, and I do have vacation in there, so the money that I save up over the month is going into food, and then from here I will put them in other ones. So food is not getting anything from the Busy Bee challenge. The rest of this 400 is going to go into tickets. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is for any excursions or any tours or anything like that we're going to do when we do go on vacation. So shopping won't be getting anything, car rental, gas, or miscellaneous. So what we've been doing on vacation, so when we went to Hawaii last year, we didn't rent a car. Instead, all the money from car rental and gas went to our Ubers, and we did take the bus on the island around. So that's where that money went. But I still have them just in case we go somewhere and we need to rent a car. I want to be able to have it separated just in case. So that is it for my savings, or for my envelope stuffing today. Let me know. I did spend the weekend creating new draw pieces. I'm going to color some. If you're not familiar with the pieces that I make and sell on Etsy, please head over and check them out. But are you guys interested in seeing that here on the channel? I know I've showed my members onlys video where I made a set and painted it, but let me know if that's something you guys are interested in, and I will be making another video where I will show you which ones I made over the weekend. I still need to make the dashboard for them, and I'm thinking of releasing a few that are colored because I know I get a lot of requests for colored ones. They're just very time consuming, and I don't want to charge an crazy amount for them, but the coloring does take a long time. I am open to coloring them, but I haven't listed any to be as a choice. But I'm thinking of, when I do make a new set, I'm thinking every week I will try and release 3 to 5 sets that are colored, so that those that want the colored ones, they can purchase them, and then the other ones will come uncolored. So just to kind of give you an example, just because I have this setting, one of the sets that I made this weekend, let me move that, and let me see if I can get, let me just put that down there. I made this weekend as a Care Bear set. So these are, they still have the protected paper on them, so, but just to kind of give you an idea, but this is what it will kind of look like without the coloring. It's just the outline of it, and then of course once I take off the paper, it's going to be wood, and then this is what they would look like colored. Of course I do prefer the colored version, but this takes a while to paint. So that is what I mean by colored and non-colored. For those that are not familiar with my draw pieces, I don't really do any of my challenges on my channel that I sell, but I probably should start, but I just haven't incorporated. I do enjoy doing other people's savings challenges, and I do have, there are a lot of YouTubers that use my challenges on their channels, so I haven't incorporated it, but I do want to. I've had requests to show these types of videos of me painting them or making them, but if that's something that majority of people would like to see, then I will definitely consider it. But yeah, so that's my plan. I'm kind of going off on a squirrel moment right now. So, but that's it. Thank you so much if you made it this far. I appreciate you guys, and I'm so grateful to have you guys here, and the fact that you guys show up every single time I put a video out. I appreciate you guys, and I hope and pray that you guys have an amazing week. Please remember to take care of yourselves, be safe, and I will see you next video. Bye.